Super Kids. It is almost that time of year again, the happiest, the sweetest, the friendliest time of year. Friendsgiving. Friendsgiving is the time when you get to celebrate everyone who makes you smile and laugh and play every day. I wonder, Super Kids, who are some of your closest friends? Well, this year, to celebrate the occasion, I am going to have the ultimate celebration. I am going to host the first annual, wait for it, Queen Dee's annual Fancy Friendsgiving Feast. And all of my best friends here at SuperNow will be invited, including you. Now, this fancy Friendsgiving Feast has to be fancy. So we're gonna make some super special centerpieces for the table. I think I'm gonna need your help on this one. Here's our super plan. First, we'll collect some fancy materials. Then we'll make a fancy garland. After that, we'll fill it with some fancy gratitude sticks. And finally, we'll make it not just fancy, but super fancy. Here's what you'll need. A clear, empty jar, thread, string, or embroidery yarn, small leaves, sticks, pine cones, stones, and lastly, some beads, glitter, or stickers for decoration. These are all optional. Press pause if you need more time to gather your supplies. Let's start crafting our fancy centerpieces. We are going to need a lot of fancy materials, so let's get outside. On today's nature walk, I think we'll do something a little different. Turn it into a scavenger hunt. So, by Queen's decree, I challenge you to collect something red, something yellow, something bumpy, something twisty, and anything else you might find to make it, fancy. Press pause if you need more time. Now, let's learn how to make the leaf garland. Measure out a long piece of thread, string, or yarn and place it on the table. Take some of your leaves and arrange them along the garland. Make sure you space them out to leave room for additions such as beads, sequins, or anything else you might want to add. Once you are happy with your plan, take a small piece of tape and attach your first leaf to the string. Leave a little space before attaching your next leaf. If you want to string some beads through or make a pattern, Go for it! Once you're happy with your garland, get your jar and wrap the garland around the mouth. You can use some tape to secure it more onto the jar. Super tip. Friendsgiving is all about play. So, play around with the arrangement of your garland, but make sure to leave some space on the ends so you can tie it neatly. Press pause if you need more time. Now we'll create the gratitude sticks. Take one of your sticks and grab a few colors of yarn. Using a little piece of tape, tape the end of the string to the stick. Grab your first color of string and wrap it around and around and around so it covers a small amount of space. When you want to change colors, snip the first string so there is enough to hold down and start wrapping the new string over it. As long as we wrap the string over itself enough times, it should hold in place. Continue with as many color changes as you want. When it's time to tie it off, use your scissors to cut the string, leaving a generous tail. Then, tie a knot around the stick. Let's do that a few more times to make sure it is secure. Press pause if you need more time. Let's go ahead and make it fancy. Oh, super fancy. Now that you have made the most important elements, it's time to start filling your jar. Arrange your sticks inside the jar. Do you have lots of empty space? Fill up that jar. What else would you like to add? Maybe you want to add something red or yellow, or something bumpy or twisty. Maybe you want to add some thankful messages to tape onto those sticks. Wow, super kids, all of these centerpieces are looking really, really fancy. All my guests are going to love them. Press pause if you need more time. Super kids, I am so proud of my fancy centerpiece. Are you feeling proud of yours? Oh, it's time now to take a picture of your creation and send it to hello@supernow.com. Thank you so much for your help today. Oh, I can't wait to see these at the fancy Friendsgiving feast.